Hi, I'm Eva. I was created by Yulia, a real Russian teacher. Welcome to Learn Russian with Eva. Before we dive into today's lesson, picture this. You're reacting in real time. No overthinking, just pure emotion. Sometimes you want to shout, "What a nightmare!" Happily say, "What a pleasure!" Or when someone truly earns it, snap, "What an idiot!" Russian has a compact hack for drama. The trick is one word, какой. It gives you instant, what a. In 8 minutes, you'll learn 30 new words for daily life. You'll use one pattern for positive surprise, negative surprise, and snap compliments. With tiny grammar headaches. Stay to the end for a 1-minute mini test. Fast and fun, just to make sure it clicked. In Russian, instead of one English, what a, or what kind of, we use 4 forms, one for each gender. Какой for masculine nouns, какая for feminine, какое for neuter, and какие for plural nouns. By the way, guys, if you're not sure how to determine a noun's gender in Russian, check out that lesson on the channel. So, to build the phrase, first check the noun's gender. If it's masculine, start with какой plus noun in nominative case. First, the little wins, the wow reactions. Unexpected guests show up at your door. Bonus points if they bring cake. Какой сюрприз! What a surprise! You're looking out over the city from your hotel room, and the panorama takes your breath away. Какой вид! What a view! Your idea gets instant approved in the team chat. Какой успех! What a success! Watched a show or performance and you're impressed by the performer's skill. Какой талант! What a talent! Now the fails and mini disasters. The oh no moments. React fast. You sprint, out of breath. The train doors close exactly as you reach them. Какой облом! What a bummer! Your mom walks into your room and says, Какой бардак! What a mess! You're stuck between floors on a Monday morning, and the lights go out. Какой кошмар! What a nightmare! Mic unmutes right as you say, this meeting could have been an email. Какой позор! What a disgrace, or so embarrassing. For feminine, we go какая plus a noun. Time for cute surprises and all reactions with feminine nouns. Surprise day off announced at work. Какая радость! What a joy! Last parking spot opens right in front of the entrance. Какая удача! What luck! You open the door. Tiny kitten sitting like a doorstep guardian, blinking up at you. Какая прелесть! What a cutie! By the way, if this lesson helped even a tiny bit, go ahead and like it. And if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Yes, I see you. Do it now before you forget. Now, the problems and facepalms. You and a friend plan to go to the match. Tickets bought, jerseys on, and he texts 5 minutes before kickoff. Can't make it. Какая подстава! What a dirty trick, or what a stitch-up. 3 transfers, delayed flights, missing gate info. Somehow you still make it. Какая нервотрепка! What a nerve-wracking mess. 2 people order after you and get served first. Какая несправедливость! How unfair! Line cutter slides in front of you while talking on speaker. Какая наглость! How shameless! For neuter, use какое and a noun in the nominative. Now, little joys. Aw, vibes. Neuter nouns. Quiet morning. No notifications, just coffee and sunlight. Какое счастье! What a blessing! Sunsets swim in warm sea, water like silk. Какое удовольствие! What a pleasure! After a massage, the headache finally fades. Какое облегчение! What a relief! A last-minute ticket wins big. Какое везение! What luck! Short note, удача and везение both mean luck. If you need a nuance, удача can mean success or fortunate outcome, broader, while везение is good luck by chance. Now the fails and those oh no awkward moments. Apartment prices are totally out of reach. Какое безумие! What madness! First date dressed to impress, and a sudden downpour soaks you head to toe. Какое невезение! What bad luck! Promo code accepted, but price gets higher at checkout. Какое издевательство! What a mockery! Switch to какие if you use a plural noun. The feel-good moments, mode on, plural nouns. You look at a painting of peonies in admiration. Какие цветы! What beautiful flowers! In Russian, какие цветы already implies beautiful, so the adjective is understood and can be omitted. Surprise sale, everything genuinely cheaper. Какие цены! What prices! Coastal road opens to cliffs, sea, and sun. Every turn a postcard. Какие виды! What views! Power outage. Neighbors bring a thermos of hot tea and a spare lamp. Какие люди! What great people! Let's see how to express bad surprises with plural nouns. A broken tram blocks the intersection for 20 minutes. Какие пробки! What traffic! Russian usually says the plural какие пробки for citywide jams. Singular какая пробка works for one specific jam. Rent, utilities, and a repair bill land the same week. Какие расходы! What expenses! Mega sale at the mall. Fitting rooms and cashiers wrapped in loops. Какие очереди! What lines! Did you know that in Singapore, if you drop even a tiny candy wrapper, you get a big fine? And if you do it again, it's even bigger? Какие штрафы! What fines! When you look up the actual amounts, it levels up. Надо же! Какие штрафы! Wow! What fines! Quick upgrade for your reactions in Russian. Надо же is a short, friendly wow. Use it when something is unexpectedly big, strict, lucky, whatever makes you raise your eyebrows. It usually comes at the start and takes a comma. But what if you want to cheer someone up and give a quick compliment? For compliments, keep the what-a frame, but insert an adjective. Friend's place feels warm the moment you step in. Soft lights, plants, cozy corners. Какая у тебя уютная квартира. What a cozy apartment you have. Birthday at home, cake covered with strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Gorgeous at first look. Какой красивый торт. What a beautiful cake. Your friend, always in jeans, shows up in a dress and heels. Какая ты сегодня красивая. How beautiful you are today. Wrap-up time. 5 quick shots. Say it in Russian with the what-a frame. How would you say what a jam using пробка, traffic jam? You have 7 seconds. Какая пробка! Кошмар means a nightmare. How would you say, what a nightmare? You have 7 seconds.
Какой кошмар!
You see a cute puppy or kitten. Using прелесть, say, what a cutie! Какая прелесть! In daily life, we hit stressful moments. Нервотрепка. Use this to say, what a nerve-wracking mess. Какая нервотрепка! You're at dinner and the meat is perfect. How would you praise the delicious meat? Какое вкусное мясо!